So here we have the Volkswagen Golf GTI automatic on a 70 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase the space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. It'll also show you what gear this car is in, just here, so P for park. The information above that, the information currently not in the middle, and the information on the right can all be changed using buttons on the steering wheel, which I'll show you in a moment. Also, over on that right-hand side, you can see the speedometer. Below that, a digital readout for the speedometer, and to the left of that, the total miles on this car, which are 2,476. So you can change the information over on the left, so you can have any of the things you see listed there. Similarly, on the right, and down through the middle. So for example, if you want a digital readout for the speedometer in that section, you can do. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was using to do that are here. We have stereo controls over that side as well, and a heated steering wheel just above it. And then over on the left-hand side, the stereo controls continue, along with cruise control, just up here. Hit this button in the middle after you set cruise control, and this car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front. It will both speed up and slow down automatically depending on the car in front's speed. And we've done a video showing how that works, which you can find on our website and on our YouTube channel. Over in the center, similarly, there are videos showing how the satellite navigation works in the same places. We're on the home screen there, so you can access your music. When it comes to radio, we have FM, DAB, and internet radio. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do. There's a few ways of doing that. They include Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly as well as making and receiving phone calls. That will take you back to the home screen where you can pair your phone. There are a few different home screens that you can have up here, depending on which one you like or find the most useful, of course. Below that, we have the volume for the stereo, so you can turn the stereo volume up and down from here. You can also increase the passenger temperature and driver temperature once the system is turned on. And to turn it on, hit the button that says climber just there. And then what you can do is turn it on up in the top left-hand corner. You can adjust the fans. You can turn the air conditioning off, back on. You can determine where you'd like the air to be directed once it enters the car. You can adjust the temperatures here, or as I say, you can make the adjustments from any screen with the buttons here and here. And then turn the system off, hit that button again. Also down below here, with regards to buttons, we have this one, which turns on assist systems. We have this one, which will turn on the parking menu for the car. So essentially what it does, it gives you a visual guide to the front and rear parking sensors. And then mode will change the driving setup of the car from eco to comfort, sport, and individual. Under individual, you'll be able to customize it with these different things you see on the screen now. Working our way down from that, we have two USB-C inputs, wireless charging for your phone, just here. The button to start and stop the engine, park for your gear lever, followed by reverse, neutral, and drive. We then have an electronic handbrake with auto hold function. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.